and welcome to Garage Avenger. I'm Justin. This is the final episode of the Batmobile build. This build has been amazing and there's been lots of ups and downs, and for those who haven't seen the episodes before this, I'm going to show you a couple of clips now. Right, first things first, I have to go to my favourite store and get some free materials. Don't do this at home, kids.
Yeah, that's a rocket.
Oh dear. Oh Jesus. Yes! I think I've ballsed up here. Yeah, that's it. So now all we got to do is test it. So I'm pumped and let's go do this. And why am I wearing a racing suit? I'm an idiot. Simply, I'm an idiot. Ha! Ha! Here we go. Woohoo! Batman! Batman! Ah! Yeah! Oh! I actually smell motor. Doesn't smell good, bro. I think we're gonna have to stop this. I'm a bit too heavy for this. I think it's the kids' turn now. Happy with your birthday present, your very late birthday present? Do you want to drive again? I can do that. Hi guys, back in the nice warm garage. Thank you so much for watching. It's been an amazing journey. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that supported me, and we will see you on the next project. And if you do like my stuff, please subscribe and you'll get the heads up when the next episode is up. So, till next time guys, see ya.